I'm Gerri Caster. I live in Houston, Texas, and I'd like to give you a tour of my TR700 Tuff shed from Home Depot. Actually, it's the second shed that I've purchased from them. This is the frontal view of my Chateau. Isn't it beautiful? I had the extra tall pitch put on. It's a 10 by 12. Let's go inside and take a look. I also am a travel and wildlife and macro photographer. So we have all of my photography equipment set up. I did some shots a couple of days ago. But I mean, you know, it's what I do. I'm in this shed for hours at a time. So this is my camera section. I've got all of my lenses here, my tripods. I've got extra camera equipment. I've got a craft table here where I sew masks. I've made about 45 masks since the pandemic hit. I also have always made jewelry, earrings. These are my journals. This is my knitting wall. Every winter, I've always knitted 50 to 60 caps or shawls, and I take those things to hospitals to, you know, gift other patients that are going through perhaps chemotherapy or something, just to keep them warm. It's just absolutely beautiful in here. This pitch on this ceiling is gorgeous. I mean, it's absolutely gorgeous. I just wanted to show you how beautiful my shed is, and I absolutely love it. Wouldn't trade it for anything in the world. Thanks, Home Depot.